Are you ready to step into the world of exhilarating outdoor experiences? I am thrilled to introduce you to a selection of top-tier backpacks designed to be your ideal companions during your hiking and camping escapades. These backpacks have been meticulously curated to cater to every outdoor enthusiast's needs, offering a blend of innovative features, exceptional durability, and unbeatable value for your money. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Loowoko 50-liter hiking. This hiking backpack stands out as a cost-effective yet high-quality choice. Don't be fooled by its budget-friendly price. It rivals backpacks that cost significantly more in terms of reliability and performance. We've listened to customer feedback and incorporated essential upgrades, resulting in a backpack with better fabric, sturdier straps, and more robust zippers. Its lightweight build is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, boasting breathable mesh shoulder straps with ample sponge padding that effortlessly distribute weight and minimize shoulder stress. Whether you're hiking, camping, backpacking, or trekking, the Loowoko backpack will be your trusted companion for 3-5 days of adventure. Number 2 is Prospo 40-liter military tactical shoulder backpack. If your outdoor adventures demand durability and tactical functionality, this 40-liter military tactical shoulder backpack is your ultimate choice. Crafted from 1000D polyester fabric with a water-resistant coating, this backpack is a powerhouse of toughness, resisting wear, wrinkles, and shape distortion. It features a mole webbing system for versatile attachments, and its two-way cord zippers, padded back area, ventilated mesh shoulder strap, detachable chest strap, and waist belt make carrying comfortable and convenient. This backpack is perfect for 3A assaults, bug-out adventures, range days, and all your other outdoor missions. Number 3 is XINXING 45-liter tactical backpack. Prepare to stay organized on your outdoor journeys with the XINXING 45-liter tactical backpack. It comes complete with a set of 10 accessories, including a water bottle pouch, a USA flag patch, and D-Rings Grimlock locking for added utility. With its 45-liter capacity and multiple compartments, it excels at keeping your gear neatly arranged. Constructed from high-density fabric, it's both durable and water-resistant, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. The ventilated mesh padded back area and shoulder straps offer comfort, while the double-stitch construction and compression system enhance durability. Its mole system allows customization, making it perfect for a variety of outdoor activities. Number 4 is Bseash 60-liter waterproof lightweight hiking backpack. The Bseash 60-liter waterproof lightweight hiking backpack is designed for those who prioritize comfort without sacrificing durability. Its ergonomic padded shoulder straps and breathable back support guarantee superior comfort during extended hikes. The spacious main compartment is complemented by numerous pouches, including a special interior pouch for a water bladder. There's also a separate pouch for your shoes, preventing contamination of your other gear. With high-quality, tear-resistant, and water-resistant nylon fabric, this backpack provides peace of mind in wet conditions. Despite its generous 60-liter capacity, it weighs a mere 2.1 pounds, allowing you to carry more essentials without feeling weighed down. Number 5 is NEVO RHINO waterproof hiking backpack. For adventurers who prefer a lightweight yet capable backpack, the NEVO RHINO waterproof hiking backpack is the perfect fit. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds, this backpack is incredibly light and portable. The adjustable top cover allows you to position it optimally when packing a full load. The front bungee pocket is perfect for bundling a wet towel or a thin jacket. It offers plenty of storage options, including 2 small pockets on the top, both external and internal, for small essentials, a front pocket for snacks and coats, and a compartment at the bottom for your sleeping bag. The 2 side mesh pockets ensure you're always hydrated. Enjoy your hikes with this lightweight and reliable backpack. Number 6 is RuRu Monkey 50-liter hiking backpack. Experience top-tier quality with the RuRu Monkey 50-liter hiking backpack. Crafted from premium ripstop materials, this backpack guarantees exceptional durability and reliability throughout your hiking and camping adventures. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort even during long hikes, thanks to breathable materials and cushioned straps that provide optimal support. Multiple storage pockets and compartments, including a large sleeping bag compartment, keep your gear organized. The backpack's water-resistant polyester materials safeguard your belongings from rain and wet conditions. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's the ideal companion for your extended hikes. Number 7 is Savvy NOMAD 40-liter lightweight camping backpack. The Savvy NOMAD 40-liter lightweight camping backpack is designed for travelers who appreciate a lightweight and convenient solution. Weighing less than 2 pounds, this backpack easily folds into its own pocket for storage. When unfolded, it offers a generous 40-liter capacity, making it perfect for carrying all your travel essentials. It can even be used as a carry-on backpack, helping you avoid excess baggage charges. The backpack features a multi-compartment design, including a large main compartment, a zip front pocket, 2 side mesh pockets, and numerous small pockets. Each compartment is thoughtfully crafted to assist in organizing and accessing your belongings with ease. It even comes equipped with a removable waist pack that can be used separately for carrying personal items during outdoor activities. Number 8 is SHENHU Hiking Backpack. The SHENHU Hiking Backpack is the perfect blend of durability and comfort. It's constructed from extra thick, tear-resistant, water-resistant, and anti-abrasion polyester fiber, making it a reliable companion for challenging outdoor conditions. The backpack features soft, multi-panel ventilated padding for maximum back airflow and support. Breathable mesh shoulder straps keep you comfortable, even in warmer weather. The ergonomic design provides body comfort, even when the backpack is fully loaded. Whether you're hiking, camping, traveling, or simply going about your daily activities, this backpack is your versatile and practical choice.